A forklift was maneuvering in a tight space to transfer stacked loads onto a truck. During loading, a worker standing right next to the truck was unknowingly left in the forklift's path as it moved forward. Due to the confined area, there was no clear escape route for the worker, creating an extremely dangerous crush zone between the forklift and the truck. This situation shows how critical it is to maintain a safe distance from forklifts during loading and unloading. Workers must stay clear of the forklift's operating area, and operators must ensure the path is clear before every maneuver. Separating pedestrian and vehicle zones and maintaining constant communication are the most effective ways to prevent accidents. While moving along the edge of a floor slab, a worker briefly loses balance and instinctively grabs a nearby column to avoid falling. Although it appears to have no serious outcome, a difference of just a few centimeters could have turned this into a severe accident. This incident highlights how vital fall protection is on open-edged floors. Continuous guardrails must be installed before work begins, and openings must be covered. This incident serves as a severe warning about the dangers of neglected public infrastructure. As the pedestrian exited the vehicle, her weight caused the improperly seated manhole cover to pivot, resulting in a fall into the underground shaft. In the footage, a worker slides into the frame on a small transport cart while carrying a container with a chemical substance without performing the necessary safety checks. The worker sets the container aside and, out of curiosity, brings it into contact with a flame to see how the substance reacts. Within seconds, a chemical reaction begins and flames appear. Underestimating the situation, the worker tries to extinguish the flames with his foot, but the incident quickly approaches a loss of control. Fortunately, no serious injury occurs, but the moment clearly shows how quickly safety violations can turn into danger. This incident demonstrates how dangerous experimentation or shortcuts can be when working with chemicals. Chemicals can react violently to heat, sparks, or improper contact. In another incident, after covering a load of soil with a tarp, the driver tries to climb down from the truck bed, missteps, and falls backward. During the fall, his back strikes the fuel tank, followed by his head hitting the ground. This incident shows how small mistakes or momentary lapses can lead to devastating consequences. Routine tasks and rushing can cause us to move without fully recognizing the risks. That is why staying alert and maintaining awareness during every activity is critically important. In another case, a worker leans over an elevated truck bed while performing a task when the wheeled support jack underneath suddenly loses balance and tips over. Because the load is supported only by a movable jack, the system begins to collapse instantly, creating a serious hazard. This incident demonstrates how dangerous it is to work on vehicles or loads supported only by a jack. The jack must be locked, the wheels secured, and solid cribbing or stands placed under the chassis. No one should enter the work area until the load is fully stabilized and secured. In another incident, a fire breaks out during hot work performed near a vehicle because flammable residues in the area were not properly removed. Sparks generated during welding or cutting come into contact with fuel vapors or insulation materials, causing flames to spread within seconds. The vehicle is heavily damaged, but fortunately no one is injured. This situation shows the critical importance of area cleaning before hot work. Any task that produces sparks carries major risk if flammable materials or vapors are present. The rule is clear. No spark-producing work begins until the surrounding area is made completely safe. A worker stands very close to an open press machine when the press ram moves unexpectedly. Because the machine was not fully de-energized and mechanically secured, the danger emerges within seconds. This incident shows that a press appearing to be off does not mean it is safe. Before entering the hazard zone, lockout/tagout must be applied. The ram must be mechanically blocked and the area clearly marked. The rule is clear. Never enter the danger zone unless the press is stopped, locked out, and physically secured. This footage captures a dangerous and highly preventable workplace accident where an employee attempted to cross over an open mechanic pit instead of walking around it and then slipped and fell. Local reports say that the heavy rains in the area had significantly undermined this pole's base. Over time, the saturated soil weakened the foundation until it could no longer support the weight of the structure, causing the pole to suddenly give way and crash down. In a highway accident, a vehicle that lost control crosses the central barrier and is thrown into a roadside work zone, coming to a stop just centimeters away from the crew. This clearly shows that relying on a single protective measure is not enough. Safety in roadwork is achieved through layered protection. Barriers, energy-absorbing crash barrels, and early warning signs must be used together, and their alignment and integrity should be checked every shift. A properly planned defensive setup can neutralize serious risks within seconds. Mobile work platforms are designed to be moved only when empty. This incident proves that without proper training and adherence to the rule of always clearing the scaffold before moving it, the structure becomes a dangerous mechanism that can cause a severe fall. Using a ladder to cut large tree limbs is generally discouraged by safety professionals due to the instability of the setup. Never position a ladder or any equipment directly beneath the branch being cut. This accident at a concrete mixing plant is a textbook example of a tandem lift gone wrong. In these operations, two cranes must act as a single machine. If their movements are not perfectly synchronized, the load shifts instantly. As the roll of steel gained momentum and moved toward a parked truck, an instinctive but dangerous attempt was made to intervene and stop the load. Please remember that a single steel coil can weigh over 10 tons, creating a level of force that is impossible for a human to manipulate. This video shows a catastrophic engineering failure. A launcher gantry, which is massive construction machinery used for lifting heavy concrete bridge girders, collapsed while a coal train was passing underneath. This footage captures a common but highly dangerous workplace incident involving a sliding cantilever gate. As the workers push the gate manually, they exceed its travel limit, causing the heavy frame to collapse. What began as a fun race between these two workers ended in a collision with a shelf, leading to a massive domino effect throughout the warehouse. This is the moment a lorry crane used to make utility repairs crashed into an entry gate in the middle of the street, causing its heavy metal awning to fall onto the vehicle's cabin. A man was caught trying to make an illegal connection without using any safety equipment. He was seen on top of an electricity pole, apparently manipulating the wires with his bare hands. This video shows a routine job of towing a faulty car going terribly wrong due to operator negligence. The tow truck driver simply forgot to secure the front tires of the Mercedes onto the flatbed. This video shows the failure of a storage tank that ruptured due to hydrostatic pressure. As the water inside rose, the pressure found the weak point, likely corrosion or a faulty weld, and the tank immediately burst. This footage shows a severe instance of reckless disregard for safety, or a loaded forklift is used to lift a second, already loaded forklift to reach the second floor of a building. This is an extreme violation of safe lifting protocols. 3 forklift operators attempting to lift and load 100 tons of steel beams onto an open train wagon through a precarious, synchronized lift. Here we can see the explosion of a tire during inflation. The cause was confirmed as overinflation, which subjected the tire to stress beyond its capacity, leading to a violent rupture, and the tire flying in the air. This man opened the bonnet and began making tweaks in the engine compartment. The vehicle was a manual transmission car left in gear and unsecured with the handbrake. The engine suddenly engaged, causing the car to accelerate all of a sudden. The key lesson here is to secure the vehicle by ensuring the handbrake is engaged and the transmission is in neutral before performing engine work. A man trying to demolish an old building with a 30-ton-on demolition excavator nearly missed it when the structure collapsed on the front of the machinery he was operating. Local media reports that the man did not suffer any injuries, although judging by the footage, it could have been worse. Scaffolding is a structure, not a vehicle. This incident proves that without proper training and adherence to the rule of always clearing the scaffold before moving it, the structure becomes a dangerous mechanism that can cause a severe fall. Moving conveyor belts create dangerous pinch and nip points. Always ensure machinery is properly guarded and never reach into operating equipment. Performing hot work on a gas cylinder is very dangerous. This highlights the inherent dangers of compressed gas cylinders where even discarded ones may retain pressure of flammable gases. A crane accidentally knocks over an aerial work platform, demonstrating a severe collision hazard. Fortunately, the employee moved just in time and was completely unharmed, an incredibly lucky outcome. A forklift falls backward from inside a truck because the truck moves unexpectedly during loading. Always secure trucks at the loading dock before any forklift operations begin. Use wheel chocks or truck restraints to prevent trailer creep and ensure a stable environment. Fortunately, the operator was not injured.